In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you will be doing well. Let us discuss irregular forms of verbs. Part 1 D and their use in sentences. Number 1 word is fly. Second form flew. Third flown. Fourth flying. Sentences. Birds can naturally fly in the air. They fly to different countries every year. In this sentence, people fly by aeroplanes to different countries every year. He flies higher after success in business. In this sentence, flies higher, that means he is very excited after success in business. Birds flew away as soon as he whistled. They have flown kites in the ground. They have been flying kites since morning. Number 2. Fall. Second form fell. Third fallen. Fourth falling. Sentences. Walk carefully so that you may not fall. He fell in a ditch but came out unhurt. He has fallen many times. Leaves were falling down the trees in the fall season. Number 3. Fight. Second form fought. Third fought. Fourth fighting. Sentences. You can fight for your rights. They fought over the inherited property. The contestants have fought well in the last round. They have been fighting for an hour. Number 4. Forgive. Second form forgive. Third forgiven. Fourth forgiving. Sentences. It was his greatness to forgive his enemy. He was thankful to the person who forgave his mistake. His friend has forgiven him all the debt. Number 5. Forget. Second form forgot. Third forgotten. Fourth forgetting. Sentences. I cannot forget your kindness. He forgot the address of his friend. We are surprised how he has forgotten his own contact number. People start forgetting things when they get older. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.